I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by cleansing your face and then apply a lightweight moisturizer to the eye area. Allow moisturizer to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before starting makeup. Next, apply a thin layer of eyeshadow primer across the lids to prevent creasing and increase longevity. Use a flat synthetic brush to sweep a light matte beige base shadow across the entire lid to even skin tone and disguise veins. Blend edges with a clean, fluffy brush to avoid harsh lines and ensure a smooth. Start sculpting by applying a matte medium brown shadow into the crease using windshield wiper motions. Keep the shadow slightly above your natural crease to create an optical lift and enlarge the eye shape. Apply a thin, dark brown eyeliner about 2 millimeters above the upper lash line to define without closing the lid. Smudge that liner subtly with a small brush for softness and gradient. Tightline the upper waterline with a soft pencil to boost apparent lash density and open the gaze further. Begin by curling your lashes with an eyelash curler for a natural lift and momentary hold. Apply 2 coats of a volumizing mascara to the top lashes, concentrating on the roots and outer third. Add a pale shimmer highlight to the inner corner and sweep a small amount under the brow bone for instant brightening. Optionally, apply natural-looking strip lashes focused on the outer third to create a lifted, wide-eyed effect. Finish by cleaning up fallout and setting your face with a light mist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.